Or if you know why you are here, you won't worship idol, number one. You will not kill animal for sacrifice, number two. You can't do that. That is why you just bring things and call them Arusi. Simple language. Magnetism. The magnetic and the body. Electric and magnet, which is electromagnetism. Simple. Electric and magnet, which is mind and the body. Arrow and the easy. Period. Then you begin to gather all the whole forces of darkness and call them Arusi, just to give bad name to our own image and likeness. Just to give bad name to us. Ndị Igbo sị gị na Arusi anaghị egbu onye aka ya dị ọcha. Why did you threaten people with nonsense? You're a witchcraft. You have no power from God. Because if not, your intention will be how to make great the image that created you. We represent Igbo. So Igbo should represent the purest of the purest. That is what it means. The rest of the mind. Rest all of the mind. That means rest. All of the mind. Everything is mind. That's the meaning. Everything is mind. Morality. That is Igbo for you. That is what we represent. So our God should be ezi omume ezunori agbana amoghe ịfụnanya. I don't know what their God represents. This is our God. Amala represent ezi omume ezunori agbana amoghe ịfụnanya. That is what we represent because we are the image of that God, we say so. We are the living because this God lives in us. This God lives in us. Amadioha bi n'ime anyị. So we must project what Amadioha represents, which is ezi omume ezunori agbana amoghe ịfụnanya. You got that? So forget these things you see on Facebook everywhere. That is not Arusi. Arusi is invisible. You can't see Arusi. What you see is the image of manifestation. All those things you see, not all that glitters is good. Craft work is about abstract, imaginary concept. Every artifact is about to cure a disease, to cure something, to educate. Artifacts are not for worship, but to educate. They are informations. They are library. Not where you go to do ritual and kill animals. No, it's library. Artifact is nothing but library. Informations. How to cure disease. How to do so many things. Build a plane. Build a ship. Build something. Not where you go and kill and do witchcraft and demonology. No. Our way is pure. Our way is pure. Our way have nothing to do with witchcraft, demonology, terrorism, rebellion. We are the angels and saints of the heaven above. That is what Igbo represents. If you are doing opposite, you are not Igbo and you will be crushed on this earth. Because our mission is to show the man, lower mind, man, what is life about. The heaven above